Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 11 feet umbrella that this brand sent to me for the video. We're going to set it up right here in this base because this one does not come with a base. So you got to take that into account in case that you need an extra base. So I have mine right here for my umbrella. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up right here. I'm going to unwrap it because it comes with a wrapping strap over there. So you can actually put it in storage if you need. Unwrap it, put it in back here. And of course, I'm going to show you that it comes with a button like an auto tilt, which I think it's super cool, and also the handle, which is the most convenient ones in all umbrellas. So let's do that right now so you can see it better. So it is right here in the base. You can see how tall this one is, but it's so tall because this is so big as well. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna take out this strap over here. It comes attached to the actual umbrella, so you're not gonna lose it. And then right here comes with a handle, so I'm gonna get kind of like underneath right here. And the good thing about this one is that it's so tall that you can actually get kind of like on your knees like I'm doing right now, and this is not gonna hit your face when you're doing this, just as you saw right here. So it comes with this really nice handle. So I think that is the most convenient thing with this I think it's like 8 bars. Yeah, 8 bars skeleton halves right here, which is super strong. And also look at this, how big this thing is. It's so big. That's what she said. But as I was telling you before, it comes with a button right here. I'm gonna show it to you in a few seconds, that you just press this one right here and you can tilt it in case that you wanna kind of like put it right here on the side of the pool and have more shade on this side, or actually the opposite if you need, just on the other side. You're gonna see that one in the camera, so I'm gonna kind of like cover myself up there, but you can see that you can put it in any angle you want, just in case that you want to have some shade casting to one of the sides. So having this button, I think is extra convenient. So you just press it, put it back in vertical mode, and that's pretty much it. And on the inside, you can see how strong this one is with this 8 bar skeleton right here. That's gonna be super resistant, and of course it's gonna withstand all that wind, all that weight. And here's the button that I was telling you before, and of course the handle back here. So we're gonna put it back in the storage mode right now. But the bottom line is this one offering this really nice UV protection. Of course, the 11 feet, the handle over here, and being so tall and with the auto tilt button, I think it's a really nice one to have. And of course, having the handle is the most convenient thing. I think that is, of course, the most convenient thing to have in all umbrellas that you're gonna put in your patio or your front porch or your garden or whatever you want to do. Let me actually find the strap over here so we can put it back super nice and easy in storage mode, and we are all set and done. I love this one. Super big, super convenient, and easy to have, of course, and easy to use. And as I was telling you before, really nice UV protection with the 11 feet of spread with the tilting as well. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.